Welcome again, people. Welcome back to the channel. Alright, we just have to say, I just peer bad news, palm bad news. Because after the country they try and recover from the COVID-19, you understand? And we see like people they recover and a little way there. And we have to go back and work same way. Although we know say the virus out there, but we have to do with proper precautions like hand sanitizer, mask over face, social distance. And now, after we recover, we say we have a second outbreak of Ebola. You understand? The second outbreak of Ebola now. In the United States and in Jamaica, in one place in Africa named Congo. You understand? Then say it killed 4 people already. So we don't really know as to how they go contain or what they go do. That's spread throughout the rest of the lands or whatever. But they go have to do something, because if they don't do something about it, you go take over all Africa till you reach the United States. And so once you reach the United States, it close to reach Jamaica. And if you do reach Jamaica, the hotel industry will have to lock down again. Alright, I know the country can't afford to lock down again one second time. Because people already are starved already and people are bad and the bills are coming because people not work. The JPS, the Water Commission and in place, they don't be in a business if you not work or whatever. Then just want to know say every month and bill come give you pay XYZ and that them business both. So right now I just have to say this, I just want salt here for everybody. You understand? I just hope you don't reach her, but still news is news. The news is the news. I feel make you know what go on still. Because very soon, if you get it a hand, you go hear it on TV, JCV, you go hear it on the cable, just like that. But the thing I'm worried about, you can't have 2 viruses in the country same time, and the whole of them life and the whole of them life threatening. You understand? Because the COVID-19 bad, but the Ebola worse. You understand? So right now, we just have to go watch what going on and keep them up to date. And just see this one I said, I just hope me not have to keep them up to date. Because if me not keep them up to date, that means they have under control. And it's squash right there so. But if, after they telling about every minute, that means say it'll get out of hand. Hope after we talk about it to them, never talk about it again, but I highly doubt that still. But anyway, until next time, peace. Welcome again, people. Remember to leave a comment below and share and like the video and subscribe for more great content, and remember to check out one of our suggested videos on the screen. Until next time, peace.